How to transfer data from Samsung S21 to S24. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to seamlessly transfer all your data from Samsung Galaxy S21 to your new Galaxy S24 using Samsung Smart Switch. Let's get started. 1. Prepare both devices. Ensure both phones are charged to at least 50%. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, install or update the Smart Switch app from the Google Play Store if necessary. 2. Initiate Smart Switch on both iPhones. Initiate Smart Switch on both phones. On both devices, open the Smart Switch app. On the S21 old device, tap Send Data. On the S24 new device, tap Receive Data. Choose wireless as the transfer method on both devices. 3. Connect the devices. The S24 will search for neighbor devices. When the S21 appears on the S24, select to establish a connection. Confirm the connection on the S21 by tapping Allow. 4. Select Data to transfer. On the S24, you will see a list of data categories. Choose the data you wish to transfer or select everything for a complete transfer. Then tap Transfer to begin the process. 5. Complete the transfer. Wait for the transfer to complete. The duration will depend on the amount of data. Once finished, you will receive a confirmation message. Tap Done on both devices. Final tips. For a faster transfer, consider using a USB-C to USB-C cable. Ensure both devices remain close to each other during the wireless transfer. If you encounter issues, restart both devices and try again. And that's it. That's how you transfer your data from Samsung Galaxy S21 to a Galaxy S24 using Smart Switch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.